The second phrase is terima kasih. This means thank you. You can use this when someone gives you something or helps you anyway. Terima kasih. It sounds polite and very friendly. The third phrase is tolong. This means please or help. You can say this when you are asking for help politely. For example, tolong saya mau pesan makanan. Please, I want to order food. The fourth phrase is berapa harganya. It means how much is it. This is perfect when you are shopping in local markets. You can just point at something and say berapa harganya. Very useful.